Hope you've all had a warm and snuggly Christmas. If you also take quiet time to rest, reflect, and refocus, what's next? Is it more of the same? All change? Or something in between? With this year, was it mainly happiness, or hopeless? Dreams come true, or drudgery and despair? Sadness, or sparkling success? Here are a few gentle starter questions. Number 1. How do you feel about the year ahead? Number 2. What, if anything, will you change or do differently? Number 3. What do you most need as you embark upon the coming quarter and year ahead? I'm the Coaching Cat, created by Marilyn Devonish, the NeuroSuccess coach, rapid transformation specialist, and Futurist, from TranceFormationsTM.com. P.S. That's trance with a C-E, as in hypnotic trance. Here's to a great year, full of magic, synchronicities, and our greatest long-held dreams and wishes come true.